Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, there'll be a lot of background noise. I'm taking the video via my iPhone, so I didn't get my pocket. So I'm right now in Kodaikanal. This is the fourth or fifth time I'm coming, and I'm staying in a property called as the Blue Ridge Homestay. Fantastic stay. A couple of years back, my friends have come here, biking friends. They came here, and yeah, after so many years, I promised the property owner that I'll be coming, and I made it today morning. So we started around 5 from Chennai in the evening, and we reached around 4 in the morning. So we guys are kind of pumped up. We are not sleepy, so we'll be going and for some spots, enjoy the day, explore more places in Kodaikanal. So yep, this is the property, guys. It's like a homestay. You can call it as a hostel kind of thing. We had a great moment today. We saw sunrise, and yeah, if you won't believe this, a fresh poop from a bison. While coming, actually we saw a very huge bison, muscular one, and it was just near our property. So this is the sit out area, and these are the rooms. The rooms are clean and neat, affordable in price, and yeah, the owner is is a very close friend of mine. So we have been planning for some time that I'll visit the property, and at last I made it today. The climate was very cold in the morning, and now it's better. It seems to be okay because the sun is out. And yeah, we'll be starting around 8:30 to explore places in Kodaikanal, and as and when we go to spots, I will take separate videos and I'll post it out. Do visit these places, and yeah, it's been a beautiful climate. So without any further ado, I'll quickly show you the property, how the property looks, how the room looks, and all those details. So stay tuned. Bye bye. So this is how the property looks, guys. So we have 1 2 3 4 rooms. This is kind of dormitory style, and we have cottages on the other sides as well. So we have a sit out area in the top where we can have lunch, breakfast, dinner, and if you see the view, one of the best views what you can get. And this particular homestay is at Vattakanal in Kodaikanal. I'll share you the link of the property location. So once you enter the room, you have a bed here, which is a 2 sharing bed, and you have couch, you have a wash basin, and you have a small TV available. The bathroom is on the other side. We have sufficient mats available, and there's another room which comes here. So those are my colleagues, and I'm sorry, it's my buddy Rahul. So this is a 3 sharing bed. You have a table, and then you have the kitchen sink. Though you can't cook or do anything, you still have it. So you have sufficient lighting in the rooms. It was good, but if you ask how's the climate when you get into the room, we do feel the chillness. So you have some wall arch like this. So this is a couple of plug points available here. And what else there's one plug point near the bed. So this is the way to the balcony. So there's a beautiful viewpoint here. Like when you sleep here, get up in the morning, you see the view. It's done. An automatic door opener. It opens automatically and closes automatically. So this is the main spot, guys. This is the balcony, and this is automatic closure of the door. So you have some couple of chairs available so that you can sit out with your friends and chillax. There's a small place here, and if you see, the complete valley can be seen. So early in the morning it was pretty cloudy, and the sunrise is clear, and it's a beautiful view. So we do have campfire options, guys, but it is completely depending on the climate. If the climate is kind of okay, we can enjoy the climate. You can see there's a wild animal inside here. I'm sorry. So yeah, so campfire can be put, but if it's a rainy season, it's pretty difficult to put. And moreover, there are a lot of restrictions here. You can't play loud music during the night hours post 8 o'clock in the evening, and you can't have the campfire on post 9 o'clock, because this is a wildlife movement area, Vattakanal is. So as I said, we saw a wild bison yesterday, so it was just near the property. Thank goodness we had the property in charge come to receive us, so it was easy for us to get into the room. Yeah, so we have a lot of cottages across this Vattakanal, and this is one of the most affordable cottage what we have. And yeah, parking is about 2 minutes walk on the top. You have to walk and go and pick up your car and leave. These are all built in all the mountain cliff region, so obviously you can't take your car as you wish everywhere. You can't bring it to the property directly, so you have to park it in one spot and then come. So that's how it works. You do have a trekking downstairs available, but if you see, you can go some forest trekking here, but right now that has been restricted, so no forest trekking, guys. We have a lot of plans today. We plan to go to Kukal, Pumbarai, and then we plan to go to the Kodaikanal lake. We have plans for shopping. We have plans for going to Wax Museum, and then we have, after Wax Museum, we have a famous Murugan temple which is available. We'll be going there as well. And yep, that's it. That's a plan. And a couple of other spots also we'll find out and go, like waterfalls or something, if something is available in a lot. But a beautiful, beautiful scenic spot, guys. Scenic spot. Okay, so let me continue the video once I go upstairs to the terrace. So stay tuned. Peace out. நீ ஆய் சொல்றதுக்கு பதில் சொல்லணும்ல. So guys, this is the way to the terrace. So you come from there and you need to climb here. Okay. It's too breezy. So you have a couple of tables, you have a kitchen sink. Anyways, I don't know whether people do cook, but you have the water supply. Man, look at the view, look at the view, look at the view. So that's the Kodaikanal town. Damn, it looks so nice.